Yeah. Look at that.
You got it?
Yeah. Yeah.
It's coming in, dude. Look.
Yeah. Yeah, that's it.
We have a beach. That's why I was running out. I wanted to see.
You could actually go swimming.
That guy was down here. He's like, I'm gonna get my kayak.
Yeah, you could definitely do that.
Kayak up. He wants to see what Cove Beach looks like. Don't you?
Oh, yeah.
Cove Beach?
Yeah.
Look at that wave right there.
Yeah, I know.
Dirtiest water in Connecticut.
Oh, I know.
The dirtiest water. Look at that. It's gonna crash right here.
Yeah.
You go skimboarding.
Yeah, dude. We actually have waves now. All right.